Welcome. I'd like to tell you about Discovery Science Lab, a class which is sponsored by the Bellevue College Parent Education program. Discovery Lab is a weekly class that meets on Saturday afternoons. We offer science enrichment for kids ages 5 to 8. We meet on the Bellevue College campus most weeks and at Robbinswood Park once a month. We are a hands-on, play-based program where children are encouraged to explore a variety of developmentally appropriate activities. Each week is organized around a theme. In this video, we'll share just a few examples of scientific concepts that we will explore. We learn about the scientific method, practicing core science skills of observation, communication, developing and testing hypotheses, designing experiments, and testing predictions on questions like, is it magnetic? And will it sink or will it float? We study our Northwest habitat, learning about native plants, salmon habitats, and nocturnal animals. Our class includes hikes in the woods at Robbinswood Park to enhance that nature learning. We explore electricity, learning how you must complete a circuit in order for electricity to flow. We test out chemistry, mixing things together, observing reactions, and experiencing changes in states of matter. We play with several types of robots, and then we build our own model robots using materials from the recycling bin. When building our models, we imagine our answer to the question, if you could design a robot, what would it do? What sensors and actuators would it need to do that job? We explore our 5 senses as we focus on the foundational science skills of observation and communication. We also address the additional senses of proprioception, interoception, and the vestibular system. We study anatomy by building skeleton crafts, examining x-rays, doing a doctor's office pretend play, and trying out our hand at dissection. We study planet Earth, the solar system, constellations, and space travel, including a fabulous pretend play experience of a rocket ship and mission control. We develop engineering skills as we build with building toys, with recyclable items, and more. And we take things apart to see what makes them tick. These are just some of the science themes we will explore over the years. But not only is Discovery Science Lab an amazing hands-on science learning for your child, it is also a great learning experience for you. In the Bellevue College Parent Education program, our vision is parents and children learning together. Your child's class is the laboratory setting for your college-level class in child development and parenting skills. Parents attend a monthly parent education lecture/discussion, which is held during class time on the second Saturday day of each month. And the parent educator covers topics such as discipline, social emotional development, and ways that parents can support their child's learning. You will also work in the classroom twice per quarter. This allows you to practice what we've discussed in our parent education sessions, to observe your child's learning in action, and to observe how the teachers support that learning. On the days that are not your work days or parent ed days, you can choose whether to drop off your child for class or whether you want to stay and play along with them. Does Discovery Lab sound like a perfect class for your family? If so, you can register online now at www.bellevuecollege.edu/parented. We hope to see you soon.